With record-breaking crowds at the Mahakumbh 2025, we've seen some more security arrangements in place. This morning, there was a declaration of a visit from the CM and Nitin Gadkari as well, among a host of other VIPs. Right next to me, you'll see barricades, and they've attempted to segregate people who are coming to and from the Sangam. Let's hear from the pilgrims here how their experience has been so far. Ma'am, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
US.
US से.
Yes.
So,
She's from Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore.
आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं पटना से आई हूँ।
पटना से आए हैं. So, आप कहाँ से आए हैं सर?
हम बिहार मुंगेर से
मुंगेर.
मुंगेर से
अच्छा, ma'am, how has the journey been so far? There were talks about crowding, there were talks about traffic jams and railways. How has your personal experience been so far?
Amazing. As even though the crowds have been so large, it's not felt chaotic. It's felt very peaceful, very kind. The people have been very nice. So I've loved the experience.
मैडम, आप कहाँ से आए हैं? आप,
पटना
तो कैसे आए हैं आप यहाँ पे? बस से आए हैं, ट्रेन से?
ट्रेन से आए हैं।
तो आपको रास्ते में क्या ट्रेन में जैसे बताया जा रहा है कि पैसेंजर्स की ज़्यादा भीड़ है वहाँ पे, क्या कोई आपको परेशानी आई है?
झूठ है।
यहाँ पे अभी तक जितना भी आप जैसे आए हैं, आप मुंगेर से आए हैं, मुंगेर से आपका सफर कैसा रहा है?
ट्रेन से आए हैं,
ट्रेन से आए हैं?
बहुत अच्छा से आए हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ।
कल रात गया से जब आप आ रहे थे वहाँ पे क्या कोई इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं?
गया सब होके नहीं आए हैं, पटना होके आए हैं और बहुत अच्छा अनुभव हुआ। स्नान में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ, बहुत आराम से स्नान किए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
अभी आपका क्या प्लान है यहाँ से?
अभी हमको झूसी जाना है, झूसी से फिर अयोध्या जाना है।
मैम, व्हाट अबाउट यू? आपका what does your itinerary look like?
Trying to go to as many temples today with my sister, and so it's just a journey, and then we're going back tomorrow.
If I could ask you something more. See, a lot of people didn't come here in the early days. Did you purposefully plan to come here at this point in time? No.
We just wanted to come, so it was planned because she planned.
So tell me about your planning. Tell me about your planning. How did you come to decide on this day? Were you expecting such crowds here?
We were not expecting these kind of crowds, and we have not come in the initial days because we were frightened, thinking that things will not be so well managed and we'll get lost in the crowds and all that. But then some of our friends and relatives did come here and they had an awesome experience. So we thought we'll also, enjoy that experience, and it's been awesome.
Well, I wish you all the best for your journey henceforth. आप बताइए, आप अभी आपका क्या है यहाँ से प्लान अभी?
अयोध्या जाने की।
अयोध्या जाएंगे? आप सर?
मैं रीवा जाऊंगा। मैं चिरौलानाथ सरकार की धरती से रीवा से, और यहाँ पे गंगा मैया के दर्शन किया और उसके बाद रीवा। और आप सभी को जय गंगे माई।
मेरा बस आप लोगों से एक सवाल है कि कंसिडरिंग यहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ है एंड अभी ये पूरे विश्व में बल्कि हिस्टोरिकली सबसे ज़्यादा भीड़ जहाँ इंसान एक साथ इकट्ठे हुए वो महाकुंभ है प्रयागराज में। तो आप लोग जब यहाँ आए हैं क्या कोई आशंकाएं थी और किस तरीके का आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
कोई आशंका नहीं, प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट, हर चीज़ अच्छी। हमें तो लगता है कि इस चीज़ को गिनीज बुक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में है ना नोटिस किया जाना चाहिए। इट शुड बी नोटेड इन द गिनीज बुक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
So considering that these devotees have come from the far corners of the earth, people have come from all over India, and they're well aware that they would face massive crowds here. They're still here because of belief and because of devotion. We can only wish them the best of luck for their journey henceforth.
Thank you.
आपको भी आगे का सफर आपका शानदार। जरूर।
कभी देख सकते हैं हमारा क्लिपिंग?
जी, कट कर लीजिए।
So we are from Bangalore. We never expect that one day we can make this. Where is the biggest conglomeration of the human being in the world? Okay, this is also our message to our Sanatana Dharma, and the way the arrangements have been done here is astonishing. See, astonishing. And one day, that day, on the Shahi Snana, whole population of Karnataka was here. More than that. And what more we can tell? Everybody should experience, and in the 8-10 days left, everybody should take this occasion to have a dip in Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. That is the Sangam.
A little while ago, you were telling us about your apprehensions, when you were actually thinking about coming here. Could you shed more light on that?
We've always felt when you come to the Kumbh earlier, we used to see these crowds, and we used to think that probably we'll never be able to, make the going to the Sangam and other things and get lost, get jostled and all that. But this has been, you know, they say 114 World Cup, FIFA World Cup gathering like, and it doesn't feel like that at all. It's been such a beautiful and wonderful experience. We have not felt, you know, pressured or bothered or anything like that. It's been wonderful, the experience.
Ma'am, since you've come from the US and being in the West, do people in the West have any conception of such a vast gathering or the scale of this enterprise?
No, I don't think that they have a concept. We were thinking of this. This is the population of all of the U.S., all of Canada, in like a small location, right? And the amount of arrangements, and nobody is angry. Everybody is happy. Everybody is joyous to be here. I've not seen a single temper tantrum. I don't think you would have seen this anywhere else in the world. So that is impressive.
So if I could ask you one thing, what is the one memory that you will take from this place?
It is a memorable spiritual experience of a lifetime and then some. So it's just a peaceful, you know, we did the Ganga Dep yesterday and the sunset, just a beautiful feeling. And you know, sure, you have to come and experience it. You have to go through the crowds, but you know that every one of them is here on a very strong, fundamental spiritual belief, and that's very wonderful to apprehend.
See, the Mahakumbh is one place where everyone comes on a common ground. You have the rich and poor, you have citizens and people who've come from across the world, you have VIPs, and you have everyday folk congregating on the banks of the Sangam. This is what the Mahakumbh is all about.